He is just.
Look at this big boy.
He's a beautiful cat.
I want to know how much he weighs.
Like 20 pounds.
He is huge.
Even his head's big.
He is so cute. He's my kind of Garfield.
Yeah, he's a Garfield with short-ish hair. Not as short, not as long. Doesn't Garfield have long hair?
I don't think so. I think he's just like an
Well, then
orange
you're
tabby
just
cat.
Garfield.
He played with his little belly fat. Can you pick him up? I gotta show for scale. This cat's huge.
I'll tell you.
How big does he feel?
Maybe 20 pounds.
Wow. He is so cute.
Well, he's going away.
He's on the move.
He doesn't have the most trimmed nails.